G'day guys, just a real short video on the installation of my roof bars and the actual awning and solar panel. So as you can see, they're actually bolted to the Honda CRV that we have here, and just probably took me about half a day to do the whole lot. So the actual solar panel, as you can see, is just sitting on the roof rails with two little alloy extrusions, so I can actually bolt it down to the actual roof bars itself. And then we've got the King's awning here, which is actually bolted to the directly bolted with L brackets to the roof bars itself. So the actual wiring for the solar panel is already been done. It's pretty much just an Anderson plug, which when we get to a campsite, you'll actually just plug it up to an Anderson plug to the AGM battery, and that'll power all our LED lights and camp fridge. Pretty good for at least 2 to 3 days. So yeah, it's just a quick video of what you can see there. Thanks guys.